Hi ladies, welcome back to the Art Extravaganza. This is the double page for the travel layout. It has got quite a few little bookies in it so that you can add extra photos. So on the left hand side you can unwind and it opens up and opens up like a little envelope. Over here, I have also made sure that there's a little bit of a gap so that you can add your ticket stubs or pamphlets as well. Then on the right hand side, I have used the various papers and I have created 1, 2, 3, and 4 different little flaps with space for lots and lots of photos. Please remember with this layout, I have put photo mats and I've given you all the sizes. You do not have to use the sizes and the photo mats that I have used. This is just for guidance. But obviously, if you've got different photos, put a big photo, please go ahead and change it. All right, I'm going to quickly run through what I've done, and you will have full step-by-step notes, which I have created for you, and they are literally in photo format, step-by-step, to guide you. If you do get stuck, however, you know where to get hold of us. All right, so your background is going to be 2 white pieces of paper. You're going to start along the top edge of your page with your cloud. I call it the cloud paper. It's a beautiful light blue paper. Those you're going to stick across the top edge. Once those are stuck, you're going to fussy cut out your suitcases. These have been raised on foam, and those you are going to adhere to the top of your cloud paper. You can then go and stick your blue stripe paper. You're going to cut those out, and that will also go just below your cloud paper. And then to finish off the strip, on the right hand side, you are going to stick your piece of red dot paper down. Your measurements are all on your notes. I'm not going to go through all the measurements now. So those 3 panels will create your background. On your right hand side, I've just included 3 photo mats done from the green pattern paper, and I've done some orange photo mats. Okay, we'll get back to the booklet now. On the left hand side, we're going to stick our stripe paper down, and then where I have just got a flat panel over here, on the left hand side I have actually made a booklet out of it. So what I've done is I have created a booklet that is 30 by 25. I've scored it at 10, 10, and then the top is at 5, so that this becomes a little interactive envelope. So once you've cut it and scored it, you will just cut these little corners at an angle so that you end up with this cute little flap. All right, and then my circles, I've punched these out of orange. I've done 2 of them, and then I've stuck it onto the black circles, which is on your element sheets. I've put foam in between them so that you can create this cute little tie using some string on your cardstock. And then I have just added some elements, and inside again I have done small photo mats. Again, you can use whatever size photo mats you feel applicable. So when you stick this down, please only put tape on the sides and the bottom so that it can become a tag to put a pocket to put your goodies in. Then these ones over here, they're just flaps, again with photo mat, so you can add as many as you like, or you can leave that out and then just use that for pamphlets or for ticket stubs or whatever you might have that you want to add to your page. All right, then moving on to the right-hand page, I have taken my different pattern papers and I have cut various sizes. So you'll see I've cut a long one, which I've scored at 1.5, then a long thin one, which is also scored at 1.5, a block one from my blue travel images, also scored at 1.5, and then my cloud, which is the back of the blocky one, also at 1.5. These ones I've then punched holes right through my layout, and I have adhered my metal fastener right through, and then at the top all I did was I went and tied a whole lot of ribbons along the edge of the paper fastener to keep it in place. This you can obviously put onto the top of your plastic, but then you just won't go through your layout. Then again, on top of these, photo sizes are totally up to you, but they are on your notes. And then my chipboard, I've just colored in white. This one over here, I covered it in a little bit of silver ink that I had. And I've created a cluster to the bottom right. This was on top of the little car, and then I've just tucked some more little goodies inside. All right, and then opening up again, I have just added photo mats as best as I could fit them in. But again, depending on your photos, and if you've already got your photos printed, please add the photos how you feel they would work best onto your page. All right, so those are what I have done. I hope you enjoy the layout. And as I say, the notes do have all the measurements on. And I cannot wait to see what you girls create with it. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I can't wait to see your layouts. Thank you. Bye.